Caught red-handed. My limited edition sneaker is dead. Tank is on trial. "Tank, look at this mess," I scolded him. He looked sorry at first, but 30 seconds later, my voice became white noise. Gravity attacked his eyelids. He is fighting a losing battle against sleep. He starts swaying. I'm listening, just checking my eyelids. He's at his limit. No remorse, only sleep. My lecture becomes his lullaby. And he's down. He abandoned the lecture for dreamland. The audacity. He's using the evidence as a pillow. I can't even be mad. Does your dog do this too? Subscribe and tell me.